these bluegill for sure. Look, put a piece of bread there. Holy tanky wanky. Watch, one's gonna eat it on the surface. One's already looking at it. Dude, that was freaking 1 pound bluegill. There's a bass coming up to eat the bread too. I don't know if y'all can see any of these. I've got polarized sunglasses on. Dude, I'm gonna put a worm in there. See what happens. Bro, do you see that? Dude, bro, dude, those are huge.
Took it off my hook. Dude,
Huge bluegill.
Dude, the bluegill just took it. I'm gonna use the carp thing. Honestly, I think they'll take a carp. You think they will?
Probably. Okay, I'm getting this on video. There's another blow up. Dude, they're freaking.
They're not getting mine because it's too small.
Am I on? Dude, I was on. I was just on. It was a small one. I think I had a bluegill on the worm. Dude, they're going crazy over there. They're going absolutely bonkers. These bluegill are. Dude, I'm on a bluegill or something. That's a bass. That's a bass. Come here, boy.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
You caught any? Now I can use on. Okay.
Okay, some bass on the worm. Got one? Is it a bass or a bluegill?
Got one here.
Nice, bro.
Look at that.
I doubled up on bluegill and bass.
Chunky
Let's go.
monkey. Harry, hold on, get over here.
Nice, bro.
Get this way. Harry.
What a chunk.
Harry, get over here so I can get
What a chunk.
All
Alright. Dude, come on. Quick release. Look at these freaking bluegill. Crazy. It's absolutely insane.